adult basketball game. So that.
Yeah, come me up there.
I want to come with you up there. So this is just, okay, you got that, the cookout, and then the party tonight. 3 things, 3 different, complete opposite directions, all within 24 hours. I think we can do it. Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm coming on here today just to kind of like kick it with you all. Excuse the talking. When I first turned the camera on, Rev came into the room, and for those of you that's new, passing through, see me for the very first time, my name is Glam, and the gentleman voice that you was hearing is Rev. Rev is my husband, and we was just talking. Actually, he come in here when I first started to talk to you all. He gave me some colloidal silver. Then he gave me some B12 liquid drops under my tongue. Then when I was really getting ready to talk to you, he hit me with the black seed oil. Oh, child. That black seed oil took the cake right there. Yeah. You know, we've been really adapting into a much more healthier lifestyle, you know, food choices and proper vitamin intake and whatnot. So it's different. Okay, it's different. So it's adjusting, you know, it's for the betterment of my health. So I'm not going to complain about it. It's just I'm going to have to acclimate myself into the new acquired taste of some things. That's all. That's all. But change is good, right? Change is good. So before he came in here doing that, I was actually going through my calendar because I was, you know, writing down things I need to do for during the week and whatnot. And I'm up to Thursday of my planning. And I also said I got to sit here and just pretty much connect with you all. This is probably going to be a super long video, so I apologize about that. So much has been going on, and I feel pulled in so many different directions. Like when you heard him and I just talking right now, there's 3 places that, well, I knew of 2 places I needed to be, and he hit me with the 3rd one. He want me to go with him to this basketball game. But 3 places I need to be at today. So the cookout that I'm going to be wearing my Dashley, this wig right here, the Dashley wig. I already wore this wig before. You should be seeing it right here in this video right there. I wore the wig already. It's a lovely wig. I really do like it. It gave me bundle hair look without the bundle hair, of course. So that was a major plus. And that's for the cookout. So that wig I'm wearing for the cookout, and I'm wearing it with my, you'll see that later on, and on Instagram, that is, if you're connected with me. It's at MzGlamourAddict on Instagram. I'll post the wig or the picture there, and then I might just do the video too, maybe, I don't know. And another thing that's been going on is the MzGlamourAddict cosmetics. Yes, I have the cosmetic line that I'm still working on, and if again you unfamiliar to what I'm talking about, it's this cosmetic line right here. I'm launching my very own cosmetic line, which is MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics, and it's coming along. It's taking a lot longer than expected because my money is a lot shorter than I expected. Yes, my money is shorter than I expected. So that's why it's taking as long as it is to finally be released. And I'm launching this cosmetic line without any brand endorsement. You know, I'm not collaborating with any major brand. No major brand is using my likeliness and image to promote or anything like that. I don't have any sponsors helping me on this. I don't have any investors or, you know, anything like that. Well, my husband, he's my sponsor and my investor, but aside from him, it's all me. You know, it's all me, and this is a huge thing that I'm doing, and I'm so excited to be doing it, you know. And if you know, if you're an official glam doll here on this channel, you know our community is very small, so it's not like I have hundreds and thousands of subscribers or millions of subscribers and I'm making all this money from YouTube to do it. No, this cosmetic line is launching off the blood, sweat, and tears of my IRA account, our savings account, you know, his pension account. This is what this cosmetic line is coming off of. So, and plus we already have our mortgages and car notes and, you know, medical expenses and stuff like that. So just bear with me. I'm adding more pieces into the cosmetic line so it can be a complete collection once it does launch, and that's where I'm at with that. So like I said, it's taking a little bit longer than anticipated because my money is a little bit shorter than I expected. So that's that. And yes, that was the cosmetic line. Aside from that, I, you know, haven't even been on here that much lately, and I feel some kind of way about that too, because I got so busy and wrapped up into the other things that be going on behind the scenes of this camera that I lost sight of connecting with you all a bit. And oh wait, all this talking that I'm doing, and I didn't even address the eyesore that is in this video. Oh God, I apologize about that. My mind is all over the place. Anyway, this, right? January of 2019, I had my chin and neck liposuction done by Dr. Sergi Voskin over at Gold's Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery in New York City. Amazing results. Okay, I did the surgery. I was wide awake during the surgery. Actually, here's a clip of the surgery. So what you're seeing right now is me being wide awake when he was doing the surgery. I felt no pain or nothing. The surgery took give or take about, I don't know, from start to finish, give or take about an hour, and my double neck, turkey neck was gone. Okay, however, when you opt to get surgeries and stuff like that, being the chin and neck lipo, oh, I also had the lipo 360 with the BBL fat transfer done, again with Dr. Sergi Voskin and Dr. Perkins over at Gold's Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, again in New York City. When you get those kind of surgeries done, let me tell you all something. There are things that you're going to need to know, learn, and do post-operative, okay? Post-operative, like this right here. This is my chin and neck garment that I still wear after my surgery. Now, I don't technically need it as much as I did when I immediately had got the surgery, but this is what helps to maintain that snatched chin and jawline that I am enjoying. Okay, so yeah, I wear this all the time. When I'm in the house, this is what I'm looking like. Okay, the only time I'm not wearing this is when I'm outside or out and about, but the minute I get home, the second this goes on, because I want to maintain the money, because I want to maintain the investment that I paid to have this chin and neck snatched. So, oh, and just in case, if you want to see my before and after picture, that right there, that is what my neck was looking like before, and that picture is me, I think 2 days post-operative of having the surgery. That was my before, and that's my after picture, just in 2 days. And I was still swollen in that picture. Okay, this picture that you're seeing, I'm still swollen, but look how snatched it is, and this is it now, and I wear this. So I'll do another video more in detail about it, because matter of fact, I'm gonna have to do a small series of videos about it, because I'm telling you all, when you get them surgeries, there's things you need to do. And yeah, I'm gonna do another video about it, because this video is just some random talk video, and I don't really want to turn it into that. So another thing I also want to talk with you about is the changes that's going to be happening here in this community, the official Glam Doll community on my YouTube channel. New content is going to be coming in very, very soon. I didn't want to just do a shock value and start throwing it out there and then you're like, wait a minute, what's this, what's this, what's this? So there's going to be some changes to the type of content that I'm going to be sharing on this channel. Everything else will remain the same. I still will do Dollar Tree, Rainbow, you know, all the other things that I was going on in this video. Wig reviews, beauty, you know, makeup, that's still going to change, but I'm going to incorporate new things. I promise you all I will come back and talk more about this in further detail. I will be talking more about the surgery and what happens after you have the surgery. There is a lot. Yeah, well, okay. I don't want to hold you up any further because this video really didn't pinpoint anything in particular. So this is pretty much going to now conclude the video. This was pretty long-winded and completely random, but I promise you all better and new content is on the way. I didn't want to just start throwing it out there and shocking you all with it, but yeah, you're going to start seeing some different things on this channel with the addition to the things that's already on this channel, because what was on the channel isn't changing. I'm just adding new things onto the channel. That's what will be changing. So on that note, dolls, this is concluding the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in some new videos that's coming up shortly. Later, dolls.
Jordan.
Jordan.
And parents that came out and brought the kids.
But I don't go on dates. Now look at never only in case you show me your picture when I'm in your city. I'm sorry, no, they wanna be something they know they